Hello guys, I'm the host Tech Model over here, and this video we will be unboxing this world's number one CCTV camera brand. It is Hikvision cameras, and this I am filming with one hand and unboxing it another hand, so video will be a little bit shaky. So let's just unbox it. So when you open it, first you get this camera itself. You have to first lift up that white cardboard piece, and then you can take out the camera. And I'm unboxing it in my shop. So this is the camera. After you remove this camera, we remains with some screws and one drill template, which you can use, but company persons don't use it that much. They drill with their hand only. So this is the camera. Now it's wrapped in plastic with very securely. So I have one pre-unboxed camera. Now I am not unboxing that one in this video because I'm not in my studio right now. So this is the camera. It's very good quality camera, 360-degree rotatable, and you see over here it supports old DVRs also. So let's proceed in the unboxing. Now guys, this is the DVR. Let me just tell you some quick specs of this DVR. You can plug in an HDMI cable for output because it is HD capable. It is HD input. You can watch its surveillance live on your mobile. You can web access it. You can back up on your USB pen drive. You can take the clips on it. You can buy surveillance it. It's a mini series DVR and supports full HD, and it's from a digital video recorder. You can connect it to internet. That's a very good feature of it. It supports hardware. You can put in a hard drive for its storage capacity. It is white in color and it's very compact in size. So guys, now this is the DVR. Now what DVR does, DVR full form is digital video recorder, but it also works. This is the dual DVR. That means it can also live stream your videos on internet. So this is the DVR when you open the packet, and wrapped in plastic very well, and this is pure white. It's mini turbo HD plus DVR. By the name you can remember that it supports HD. And this is the DVR. It looks very good, and it feels also very good actually, and looks very nice. And you can see many ports available. This is the 4-channel DVR, and we also get a power adapter, one mouse, and some SATA cables and some screws. So these are the ports of the DVR. There's 4-channel DVR, so 4 ports for cameras, one HDMI port for video output, one VGA port, 2 audio out and video in, and many more things, and 2 USB ports and 1 LAN cable for internet connectivity. And these are hard drive ports plus wall hanging, so you can hang it on wall. So guys, this is the power supply. It will supply power to these cameras, and it gives 12 volt. This is also by a good company, Securei, but don't buy its cameras because we have never tested them, and I have never heard of the company before buying this. So this is the power supply. Very good packaging, aluminum made. It's good heat sink. It is made of a big heat.